Hi everybody, welcome back for another video, and today we have a fun unboxing. We have a package here from JetPens, some things that I had ordered, and we also have a package here from Powell's bookstore in Portland. Let's do the book first. This one I'm really excited. Let me make sure I don't show my address. Okay, so Powell's is known for being a huge bookstore if you've ever been to Portland, Oregon. But I got a little golden book, and the book that I chose, I love that book, The Pokey Little Puppy. We had all of these when I was a kid, but I got I Can Fly. Now, we used to have this book when I was a kid, and, you know, I think they all went to other places. But the reason I got it is because it was illustrated by Mary Blair, and it was all of like $2.95. But it has her wonderful "A bird can fly, so can I." Look at this artwork. I'm merrier than a terrier. Swish, I'm a fish. Pick, 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 I'm a little chick. Anyways, but you can see, look how beautiful it is. Mary Blair is a wonderful artist that worked at Disney and did a lot of freelance work for Disney as well, like the Small World ride and all of that. A lot of the original artwork that was done for Disney in Florida was created by Mary Blair. Yeah. So I won't spoil the book for you, but there's a little song at the end. So I have my own copy, again, of I Can Fly. That's actually really nice. There's no, it says this book belongs to Lucia and Lars Ex Libris. Oh well, so I got my own copy. Now, here's the package from JetPens. Let's see. I ordered a new fountain pen. I ordered some ink. I ordered some like gel pen refills, which my patrons know I just rediscovered where I had hidden them. What is this? Free spring organizing bundle with any $80 purchase. Redeem by 5/31/20. Oh, I guess I can redeem that because I spent $80 on this. Let's get that out of the way. Okay. Okay, we got lots of stuff in here. We got a pen. We got some ink, just basic ink, and some refills, and a Lamy converter. because I wasn't sure if this was going to come with one. It probably did, but so you'll see that like everything in here is like Lamy. So this is a, I wish they always had like, oh, I hope it comes off. So this is a, I hope the nib's not bent. This is a pen that I was really looking forward to having. It is a Lamy. It's very similar to my special edition one, which I have somewhere back here. I have it in here. Here's my, it's the Safari, and it's the orange copper, and I love the look of this brown one. I tend to use my Lamy more than any other fountain pen that I have. Okay, let's take this ring off. I'm going to use this blue ink just because I am. Let's see. I think it's in. I tend to squeeze it a little and tap it. I don't know if this does anything, but while I'm waiting, it makes me feel like I'm doing something. Now I tend to use the cartridges because they do hold quite a bit more ink than these refills, but I do use the refills as well. But it is a, I think it's called the Safari, and it's in this beautiful brown color that they call, I think, Marron. And it's such a cute container for it. Let's see what the receipt says. It says Marron, M-A-R-R-O-N, but it's brown. I don't know what that means. So while that is doing its thing, let's take a look in here. These are Pentel Energel ink refills in the 04 and in the brown color. These are what I like to use in all of my favorite gel pens. So I've got 5 more. So I think it means I've got 10 of these. So I have plenty of ink refills now for quite a while. So let's put those there. And something I did choose was I decided to get a bottle of the Lamy black ink. And it even has some blotting paper. It's an interesting, it's hard to see, but if you look here on the box, see how there's like a little divot in the bottom of the jar? And what that does is it gives you plenty of space so you can properly fill your pen. And then it gives you the paper, the tissue, so you can clean off around the pen. So it has everything you need right with it. And I wanted to try a new black ink because I have an old bottles of Noodlers and I'm trying to not use that anymore. Yeah. Okay, let me get a piece of paper out. Or, let me see, where's my notebook? Here we are, here's my lock bee, which I've moved into. I have a couple of things in here. I have a couple of inserts that I made. These are calendars from DIY Fish, but I made them using Kokio Biz paper, A4 Biz paper. Let's see something. This is what might take. There we go. And it's just the blue that comes with the pen. So let's write a little in here on this Biz paper. Today is Tuesday. Let's write. Was it Powell? Books. JetPens. Film for YouTube. Now we gotta be careful. I didn't get any blotting paper out, did I? Do I have a little piece in here? I used to carry a little piece in my passport. But since I've I don't know. What we'll do is we'll just kind of slide that under there. And let's kind of see how we like this. I love Lamy pens. They are one of my favorite. I have a couple of Twisbys, which are nice, but I like my Lamy better. Okay. Sort. Music in front room. 5 boxes down. This is what I did yesterday. To 2. 1 box is trash. Recycle. 1 box to Izzy. 1 box to TSO. Miscellaneous chamber music that I'm destashing, and 2 boxes for me to keep. I still have about 5 or 6 more boxes of stuff to go through, but that is, you know, to get rid of that much. That's pretty amazing. I need to this film YouTube unboxing. It's a beautiful pen. It writes well. I always love my Lamys, and this one is a EF. It says extra fine. It sounds like it's raining outside. Film and unto YouTube unboxing, which then means I need to edit video, create a thumbnail. And then need to upload. And then all the miscellaneous stuff. And then Patreon will get it first. Then YouTube Live. Nice. That looks very nice. Let me do this. Yesterday I did film for Patreon. I sorted my music boxes, but I didn't clean the bathroom. Today I have a lot on my sort the dining room, sort planner, art supplies. That'll take like a week. I wrote Be Courageous. Anyways, there we go. And just to show, so that was a Kokio Biz paper, how it worked. Here is, this is Tomoe River paper. So this is a Lamy Safari. It's metal, or is that what it is? Brown. And it's the Lamy blue ink cartridge. And this is the Tomoe River paper. And again, because it's so thin, you can see a little bit of it, but it doesn't go through. Always, always, always quite nice. But doesn't that pen look great with this? I think I like the Lamys the best because they look kind of rustic. Here's two of my Lamys. This is a Pilot Metropolitan. And then these two are Sailor knockoffs. They're by Jinhao. Jinhao, I think. Cute pens. A little on the small side, but nice. Yeah, so there's 5. Or there's 4. Well, there's 5 slots, but I don't know what you would ever fit in that teeny tiny little one. But what's nice is with this Lamy Quattro is the pens, they overlap, so they fit in the hole, or the divot spot, so the pens don't clink or clank. And yeah, really nice. Well designed product. Well designed. So that was what we got today. We got a new pen, some ink, we got a cartridge, like a converter, we've got some more pen refills, and we got a cute little book, I Can Fly. So there we are. I will link the 2 stores down below. And if you have any questions about any of these items, let me ask, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.